Hi, I'm Natalie from Elegant and Armed, and today I'm going to show you how to break down the Taurus G2C. If you're new to my channel, welcome. Make sure to subscribe and check out my blog at elegantlandarmed.com, and let's get started. First, take out the magazine with the muzzle pointed in a safe direction and make sure the gun is unloaded. Pull the slide back. Once it's unloaded, you can start disassembling your gun. Grip the gun in a way that you can pull the slide back just a little bit, about 1/4 of the way back. Pull down the disassembly lever on both sides of the gun. Then release the slide. Pull the trigger, and the slide should glide off the gun. Remove the spring assembly by compressing the coil and pulling it out, and then you can pull out the barrel as well. Now the gun is ready for cleaning or maintenance. To reassemble, put the barrel through the muzzle hole of the slide and put it back in place. Place the spring assembly into the proper hole and then compress it to snap it back into place. Then line the frame rails up with the proper grooves in the slide. You may have to jiggle it around to make everything line up. Then push it all the way back and your gun is fully assembled. Thanks for watching. For more about firearms, concealed carry, and style, you can find Elegant and Armed on Instagram, YouTube, and my blog, elegantlandarmed.com. I'll see you next time.